again, Portia here at Shoes of Hollywood. We're going to do another review for you today. And today we have the Flamingo, the 808. Now these are an 8-inch platform, so an 8-inch heel with a 4-inch platform. And they're absolutely stunning. So they come in their protective little baggies. There's plastic wrapped around them as well. So here they are. They come with the beautiful tarantula on the front platform here and red backs on the back heel. Now these red backs do glow in the dark if you put them under UV light. And they've still got the beautiful grippy sole at the bottom. Got a lovely suede sole on the top here and the plastic gripping ankle straps here. So I'll get the other one out for you. They also come with a little carry bag as well. So they come very well packaged. Here we are. 8-inch heel, 4-inch platform. Okay, let's try them on. Go, first one's on. Now these shoes would look really stunning with a great tan as well. There we go. Alrighty, let's try them out. Side on view here. So they're a very beautiful shoe, easy to walk in. And although they're tall, the platform is tall as well, so it doesn't feel as steep as some of the other single sole shoes. Do a little twirl for you so that you can see the red backs on the back. Whoop, don't want to fall over. So there you have it guys, the Flamingo 808, and we'll take them off now. Now they do glow in the dark, like I said. The red backs will glow under a UV light. 8-inch platform with an 8-inch heel. And there we have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye bye now.